Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everybody's good. So I want to talk a bit about how we were able to make $27,000 in 24 hours. So $27,000 in one day. Okay, as you can see, purchases, conversion value, $27,000 made. We had about 1,135 purchases, so 1,135 transaction. Um, we collected to be able to generate $27,000. ROAS, which is return on ad spend, return on advertising spend, was 1.82. Okay, so now so in this day, we ran ads on with 154 ad sets in 14 ad campaigns. Um, it ranges from add to cart, um, custom audience to normal cold interest targeting, all the way to retargeting and all that stuff. That's what this all these ad sets comprised of. Um, when it comes to how we target, how I like to target, okay, one interest per ad set, guys, because I want to understand what is working, the interest that is working, or the target audience that is reacting positively to my ads on Facebook using Facebook and Instagram ads. Okay, so that is why you could see Stylist Magazine. I was targeting people interested in Stylist Magazine. In this, there were 2.1 million people um, that were in this target audience. Targeting people interested in lingerie, beauty, ecotourism. There was 890,000 people in this target audience, and that is how I like to target my customers. This lookalikes, 2%, and all that stuff. Tennis, Great Britain, LED lamp. So okay, so breaking down. So this LED lamp is a product that was actually running. So it's a lamp that it's a motion sensor lamp, LED lamp, and I sold a lot of them. Um, so this is interest based. So sunglasses, 26 million people interested in that. 25 plus, which is the age, indicating the age, and all that. Um, that is basically how the day went. We were able to sell 20 make $27,000 within 24 hours. Um, some ad sets we some ad set ad sets made us a lot of money. Some made us some money. Um, some didn't make us any money, right? Or we didn't run ads on them; they were turned off. Like these were all turned off, but the ones on top were on. It made us a lot of money. Like these ads had made us fashion accessories made us $2,240. As you can see, going up. This one focused on spas made us $5,698. Um, let's see. I'm looking for the high ones. I think that's about it. No, we made more. Okay, let me find. Let me go find them. Where more we made. Maybe I turned off some. Let's see. Right. So that's it. So we made $2,000 here. Where is it? Yeah. So $2,000 here. Again, focused on spas, targeting spas. $608 there. Let's see. Let's see the very good performing ad sets that we had. Okay, that's it. So some of them, some of the ad set we had, they just multiple ad set made us money. So it could be $400, $200, $139. It's just the way I run the ads. Um, I do a lot of vertical scaling, which means that if I find a very good performing interest, I like to duplicate that interest into multiples, right? For example, this footwear. So the footwear, I believe we're selling now, selling a colorful sandals targeted to women in various cities in America. Um, and the footwear interest was doing very, very well, fantastically. So what I did was duplicate the footwear interest, all right, into 10 or into 5, and each of them I would name them, I would label them A, B, C, D, E, F, like something like that, right? So that is why you're seeing this letter labeling that I'm doing. And in that way, like multiple people within the target audience, a lot of people within the target audience are seeing it. There is just one thing, is just a strategy I discovered years ago, whilst I was doing dropshipping. It is based on how the algorithm deliver ads. Okay, I like to call it a one-dimensional view. So the algorithm have, when you create an ad, the algorithm already have a set of people that it wants to deliver the ad to. Now, out of, let's say, let me pick out of 15 million. So if your target audience is 15 million, okay, only a fraction of that will see your ad based on the ad set. So that is why when I duplicate into multiples, right? Anytime I duplicate an ad and I create an ad, the algorithm will pick a different fraction to show the ad to. So in that way, I can cover multiple fractions and be profitable. They make the campaign overall to be profitable. It's just a strategy I implement. Um, I will be teaching the strategy in our Dynamics training program. So if you're interested in that, join our Dynamics training program and gain more value. Dropshipping from Nigeria, guys. Right. Before I end this video, okay, I want to touch a bit more on AliExpress, um, and products. Again, when it comes to dropshipping, your products will define your business. I will keep singing this, I will keep saying this. Your product will define your business. Your product will also, on a 60% basis, define, the success of your dropshipping business. All right. It's going to define if you are going to be successful or not. Okay. Now let's jump over to AliExpress. All right, guys. When you come to AliExpress, you're going to see a bunch of suggested products around. You could tinker around the categories. There are ways I normally use the suggestion parts to find products that for me to sell. Okay, but scrolling down, I found a product. So this is jumbo braid, 24 inches. It is very colorful, tailored towards women. I would say younger women. I don't think a 40-year-old woman will be interested in this. But then again, the world is changing. I don't know, right? But I would say this will be tailored more towards the younger audience. Okay, young adults, kind of, or within like in the 20s, women in the 20s, right? This could be tailored towards them. Um, I don't know much about women hair and braids and stuff, but I think that might be the target audience. Um, but I would also target older women just to see if they buy. If they don't buy, then I'll shut off the campaign. Okay, so this is the product page. For one of them is $2.50. You should be able to sell this for about $12. I might be wrong, but $12, between $12 to $15. Or maybe if that is too high and you're facing friction from the target audience in terms of not accepting your price, you might reduce it to $10 and see how that goes. Um, but ultimately it is also okay, so you get free shipping. I wanted to say it is based on your the shipping price, but you get free shipping. So $2.50 for these products, that is all you pay to the supplier. Okay, they have sold 7 uh so far. So basically this is what it looks like. Okay, I mean, I think so. I don't know, you guys tell me. I believe this is what the product looks like. Let's see. Right. Or maybe not. I think it looks like this more. I think this is how it looks like um more like this, more like this, more a bit more colorful. Um, But anyways, you can sell the product. All right. So the price changes based on the color. That's what I'm saying. So it's $5.60, $5.60. But the first one is $2.50. Let me see what this one is. It might be because of the length. So 24 inches. What's this one? 24 inches as well. Then I don't really know why. Okay, this is A15 and this is A18. All right, so I don't know what A means, but this is 1B. This is 2. Anyways, you can sell this product. One thing I would say, one value I will leave with you today is, guys, when you are dealing with AliExpress and you want to place order to your supplier, you receive an order on your website, you want to fulfill the order, so you want to place the order to your supplier. Always choose AliExpress standard shipping. AliExpress standard shipping. This is AliExpress. AliExpress itself. This is their shipping medium. Okay. So it is more. They are more reliable, right? It is more easier for you to, if anything goes wrong, you can get a refund back from them. No problem about that. So that is why I would always suggest you and advise you choose AliExpress standard shipping. It is faster as well. Okay, it is faster than the rest of the other options. Um, like via DHL, you can see it's going to cost you $42. It makes no sense, right? So that is why stick with AliExpress standard shipping. Most times you get free delivery with that or via AliExpress standard shipping. It's reliable. They will get a product on time between 10 days to 16 days, right? They receive the products. So that is one value I will leave with you here. Guys, if you're interested, if you want us to actually help you start a dropshipping business, or you are currently running a dropshipping business where you are struggling, let us know, so we can see what we can do for you. Um, join our Dynamix training program, guys, so you can have tutorial videos and guides. You can watch the videos we do there, which we have there, which are more in depth. Okay, and yeah, that is about it for this video, guys. Have a nice day.